How much do I need to make a month, like profit to living G in Dubai? Bro, you can live in Dubai for say like 3K profit a month. Like you can live not like central Dubai, a little bit outside of the town, things like this. You can live okay for 3K a month. A decent apartment out like not in the central areas, maybe 1.5K dollars, maybe 1.8, 1.2, maybe. If you want to live central, I mean, we live in a fucking ridiculously expensive area. Like our rent is 25K a month, like on the Palm in Dubai, which is obviously a lot of cash. My share is like 7, I think, plus bills and bullshit like that, or whatever, right? It's like something like this. But my apartment in Marina was like maybe 3K dollars, 2.8, 2.75K dollars. So expensive, don't get me wrong, but for the right in the center in Dubai with the pool, with the hot tub, like with the gym, like all these extra things, it's a pretty good price for the location. A very good look, actually very good price for the location. But yeah, you can live in Dubai for 3K a month. Loads of people do this. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.